Today, we're going to talk about how to set up the OPC DA server using ViperVision. The first thing you're going to want to do is check the task manager to verify that the OPC DA server isn't running already. You can just type in Dan if you have Windows 11 and it'll find it. Looks like it's not running, so we can go ahead and start it. Go to the C, Program Files, Viper Imaging, and then inside of the ViperVision directory, look for OPC DA. Inside of the OPC DA directory, we want to look for the danserv net4 executable file. We want to run that file by double clicking. It's quick, I know, and you don't see anything, but it should be running. Let's verify by using the task manager. All right, looks like it is running, so we can get it going. So let's go ahead and unregister the server first by right-clicking the executable and running as administrator. It should prompt you. Just enter your credentials and approve it. And then after that, register the server by doing the same thing, right-clicking and running as administrator. All right, now that we got our server registered, let's go ahead and set up a tag to verify that communication is happening. So let's go to our OPC server tab and let's add a tag. Let's name our tag OPC DA test. All right, let's make it a output tag, and we're just going to leave it as a Boolean because we want to just set up a simple heartbeat tag to verify that the software is communicating. So let's go ahead and add a process. Let's enable that heartbeat and let's just hit OK. It's going to send out a heartbeat every 5 seconds. All right, now that we got our tag set up, let's open our OPC server tab on the right and pin it so that we can verify that it's doing its thing. All right, she's looking good. So now let's open a OPC DA client. We like to use opcda.net. We'll go ahead and browse for a server, and bam, it found viperimaging.opc.server. Let's go ahead and connect to that server. And let's browse for the items. Right on, it found our OPC DA test tag, so let's go ahead and add that test to our read tab. We'll right click, hit select it, and then we'll just click on that. Make sure data change is selected so that it automatically updates, and then we'll just check the read button to get it started, and it should update for us. All right, communication is happening. So now let's talk about running into issues with the OPC DA server. Usually, if you run into issues with the OPC DA server, you can resolve it by simply stopping the server, unregistering server, and registering it again. So let's go through that process right now. All right, so let's kill the server in the task manager, and then go back to our install path, ViperVision OPC DA, and let's run the server again by double clicking it. Remember, it's quick. And then let's go ahead and right click the unregister server.exe and run it as administrator. And do the same thing with the register server. All right. Usually that will probably resolve almost any issue with the OPC DA server. Let's verify that it can find the server, we can connect to it, and we can see that our tag is updating still. Let's connect, browse items, and wow, it found our tag again. Let's verify that it's still updating. All right, it looks like we got it resolved. If you have any questions, go to viperimaging.com/support and reach out to us, and we can resolve any issues you have. Thank you.